Charles at Save Club asked me to create a video for Save Club that we go over testimonials because, as you know, that we are getting so many testimonials because there's so much savings in the club that when people watch it, if they're on the fence and see that, they're going to be like, "Hey, I'm ready to join." Okay, so here's what we need. We're going to use this video for you, for everybody. So you can take this video. We are probably going to put it inside the funnel as well as testimonial proof. Here's what we need. We don't want you saying your name and all this kind of stuff because we don't want people looking up certain people's names and all that kind of stuff because this is a video that's going to be used for everybody in the company. But we would like you to do something like this. So you can sit in your car, get out your phone, or even better, it would be cool if you can actually show the deal. So for example, let's say you bought 2 pizzas and one of them's free. You could be like, "Hey, I love Save Club. Let me show you," and scan your phone and say, "Look, I got 2 pizzas here, but one of them was 100% free because of Save Club." You got to love this. Or maybe you're rolling through an oil change place. I got $20 off. Or you went and got a free Arby's sandwich. Hey, listen, I went to Arby's today and this second sandwich, 100% free. That's money that didn't have to come out of my pocket because of Save Club. So now, if you just have other examples, maybe you could show a receipt with some savings or something like that, because we want the video to be very compelling with, like where people will believe it. Like, I could just tell you I saved $1,000 on this video, and that's cool, and it might go well. But what's better is if I have a receipt that shows, "Hey, I just saved $20, or I'm holding up a sandwich that said, "Hey, look, I just got this for free," or, "Hey, I'm at this restaurant right now, and this appetizer I'm eating, this banging dip, guess what? Didn't pay for it. Thanks, Save Club." Or, "Hey, this is my dinner. Here's my significant others. Guess what? Hers was free, or hers was 50% off because of the deal in Save Club." So again, don't make them long. If they're over a minute, we're not going to use them. I'll tell you that. And we'll try to use, practically everybody's, unless they're just horrible videos. But here's what's cool is at the end of the day, you could also get to say, "Hey, listen, I'm in the company's marketing video." All right. Even though we're not saying names and stuff like that, you can still show people, "Hey, that's me." And you can use that, for your benefit as well. Now, we're not going to let this offer be out there too long because we want to produce this video ASAP. So don't take a long time. Start to get your videos in ASAP. So get your video done, fill in the form, and get that video over to us because, if we start on it 3 days from now or 4 days from now, and then you send us one 5-6 days later, you're like, "Hey, why aren't I in the video?" Well, because you took so long. Okay, so we're trying to get this done ASAP. We would really appreciate your help. There's so many deals out there, and we're hearing so many stories of people saving so much money. So get on it, and I can't wait to make this video for all of you to use it and get a lot more signups in Save Club.